Hey, what it do, guys? And welcome to Thursday and another daily vlog. Daily vlog 28, day 28. Starting off my day on the computer, finalizing today's daily vlog. Is going to my app, going to YouTube Studio, packing up all my stuff. Because guess what? I'm running late. And I'm running late because for some reason my phone died, and well, it didn't die. I think it just died in general because it doesn't want to read the network. It still says no network. I don't know why. Let me see. Yeah, it says no service. See? Look. So today's daily vlog, I'm probably just gonna release it, or at least finalize it. Let everybody else watch it because I have not done a thumbnail or anything. Yesterday's live stream took up a lot of my time, and I gotta rush to work. One minute, please. Well, I was thinking also about the Disneyland Ride to Work, so I'm gonna announce it now. So I think for Disneyland's Ride to Work, we're going to keep going into the history vaults. We're going to keep looking into the history vaults. And I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do, but I'm going to find a really, really retro video to play again. Oh, I have the perfect retro ride. Well, I'll find something, I'm sure.
Star Tours introduces the perfect getaway vacation with exclusive tour packages to Hoth. Now you can ski the most incredible slopes in the galaxy, or if you prefer, explore beautiful and mysterious ice caverns and the famed echo base of the Rebellion Forces. And while you're there, be sure to enjoy an exhilarating ride on a Tauntaun. It's all on Hoth, and it all begins soon, only from Star Tours. Watch for details.
May I have your attention, please? At this time, I'd like to take a moment to review our boarding process with you. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. For your safety, all passengers are required to wear safety restraints throughout the flight. To fasten the restraint, pull the strap out from the right side of the seat and snap it into the console on your left. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seat. While on board, flash photography is not permitted. And please, no smoking at any time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask an attendant. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you, and have a pleasant tour.
Star Tours Indoor Express. All passengers should be on board at this time. Final boarding call for the Indoor Express.
Hello, I am C-3PO Human-Cyborg Relations. Welcome aboard the Star Speeder 3000. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. Oh, and flash photography and smoking are absolutely prohibited while on board. Thank you.
Welcome aboard. This is Captain Rex from the cockpit. I know this is probably your first flight, and it's mine too. Well, it looks like we're going to have a smooth flight to Endor, so I'll go ahead and open the cockpit shield. Oh there! I see they're loading our navigator R2-D2, and then we'll be on our way. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Star Tours 45, elevator platform has been activated. Commence final pre-launch sequence.
Roger, Control. All status, go.
ST-45, you are cleared for takeoff. Contact departure control at 120.4.
Copy 120.4.
45, you're going the wrong way. Stop immediately.
Wrong way. Brakes! Brakes! I meant to do that. A little shortcut. R2, light speed. R2, we passed the Endor moon. Oh, what's the matter? No! Comet! Ladies and gentlemen, there may be some turbulence up ahead. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Relax now. Everything's under control and we'll be on our way to the Endor moon without any further delay.
Star Tours, what are you doing here? This is a combat zone. It's restricted. Ease off on your base thrust.
We've been hit! R2, get the stabilizer fixed! And hurry! We're losing altitude
We're 30, elevate.
Okay! I've always wanted to do this! We're going in!
I'm going in. Cover me. Target range. All ships, jump the light speed.
Hey! Sorry, folks! I'm sure to do better next time! It was my first flight, and I'm still getting used to my programming! Hey! Hey!
Oh man, guys, I am so ashamed of myself right now. I have not vlogged all day. All day. No vlogging has occurred here. There really hasn't been much to vlog about. There really has nothing been going on. I mean, other than it's getting warm outside. And the only thing I saw today on the news was that there's a bank whose client is a Walt Disney Company, and they're saying that their client is not thinking of opening the parks until January 1st. Which, that's next year, if you guys haven't noticed. Or if you don't know your calendar, like me. So, that kinda sucks. Which means I'll be vlogging till the end of the year. It's no big deal for me. I mean, I like doing the daily vlog. I don't have a problem with it. I can do it all the time. But I want to go back to the parks. I'm ready to go back to the parks. Update number 2. I have to go to the store again. More supply shopping. I think I'll take you with me this time. Last times I have not been taking the camera with me. But this time I think I will. Gotta pick up a couple of things, not too much. Definitely TP, we need TP. That's pretty much it, nothing else really going on today here at work. Somehow I kept myself busy again all day today, all day. Well, I'm gonna go take my last break. And I'll see you guys at Walmart. AKA Wally World. Whoa. That's right. I'm back at Wally World. There's the line for day admissions. I hate COVID-19. Well, I did pick up some essentials. I got everything I need, I think, almost. And that's probably gonna be like $100 right here, probably. Especially the DP. We got the DP. Let's go to the electronics section. Oh, they got all kinds of movies. Like they got Scooby-Doo 50th Anniversary, The Bernstein Bears, Secret Life of Pets 1 and 2. What? Seeing I like them, that one was funny. Look, Trolls, Rosa, look, it's Trolls. Jose! Oh, they got Animaniacs. On, we should get this. Look how thick it is. Play every single Animaniac show. Oh, Secret Agent Woo-Wah! Secret Agent Woo-Wah! Man, the line is still crazy long to get into Walmart. Oh man, look at that. The tarps gave up on them. It's real windy over here right now. Nevertheless, the lines are still hella long. Huh. I can breathe. Ooh, lovely, lovely elixir that sanitizes, heals, and rejuvenates lives. Purell. I'll have another dab. I'll have another dab. There, I'm sterile. Maybe that's why I don't have any kids. This is today's AirPod selection today. This is what I brought to listen to the radio. Keep it down, AC. It's so hot. Look. They're black AirPods. Just like my soul. Hey guys, I'm back home. Back at the KIDULT TV studios. Guess what? We got some from Amazon. Whoa. I wonder what it could be. They give you a box. And they give you another box. It's in here. Let's see. Let's move some stuff around here. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is my new live stream microphone. Look, there's the thing. The cushies. Oh, the pop filter. USB cable. The arm, that's what it's supposed to look like that. That's what I'm gonna set up. Oh, let me show. Let's look at the mic real quick. Ooh, the mic got some weight to it. Ooh, USB condenser mic. What? You bet your sweet tooth we're gonna hook this up today. Oh yeah, I'm setting this up now. So I'll be back in a little bit to show you because I gotta move all this stuff around. I gotta move around everything. Josh, give me some ideas of live stream. So. Still vlogging right now. Look, hey, look at me. Testing out the new mic. Look guys, I got the new setup going. Yeah, new setup. New mic. Got the camera. Got the ring light. We got our Mandalorian poster. And everyone in the live stream. Hi guys. We're vlogging right now. We are vlogging. Setup looks good to me. Setup looks real good to me. So, the mic seems to be working great. I just had a little quick live stream for everybody to test everything out, and it seemed to all worked great. So this is where I leave you on the daily vlog today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just want to remind you guys to make sure if you're new to the channel to subscribe so you can keep with us in the loop, find out what we're doing, and get notified when the new videos come out. But from D and me and KIDULT TV, we'll see you all tomorrow on another daily vlog.